how to make a custom vinyl decal for your balloon gifts. You guys, so easy. Okay, you guys, we are in Cricut Design Space. Now, we are going to create the image that is going to go on our balloon. We're going to make something for Mother's Day, okay? So, what we're going to do is go over to the left side and click on Images. Okay, and then in the search bar, you want to type in Mother's Day. Okay, so I already did that previously. Okay, so once that's up, just give it a minute because it's running kind of slow, you guys. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, boom, there we go. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see the image that I like. Okay, I don't think it's that one. Okay, it's this one. Boom. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to move this out the way just by clicking on that arrow right there. Boom. Okay, now we got to make this a little bit smaller, and I'm just going to go up to the little square right here in the top right hand corner and just drag it down. I'm sorry, left hand. And we're just dragging it down. So we want it to be around about 8.5 width by 2.7 height. Around there. Don't have to be exact. We'll figure it out. So I'm just going to drag it down a little bit more. Okay, we can rock with that. Now I'm going to go to the top, and where it has that lock right there, I'm going to unlock it. And I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit. Not too much. And just fix it up how you think looks best. Okay. Okay, I'm going to rock with it like that. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to stop it right here. Because I want to tell you that's it. That's all you got to do is make that image and you can print it out. However, it's just going to be one color. All right. Now, if you want it to be two different colors, the mom one color and the I love you a different color, then go ahead and keep on watching and then you'll learn the rest. As you can see, you cannot ungroup. The only thing that is highlighted at the bottom right hand side is the contour. So we're going to rock with that feature, okay? Now, before we do that, I got to go back up. We got to go back up to our image and we got to make a duplicate, okay? So we need two of them. So come up here on the top right here and click it. Boom. Now we have two. Okay, so now I'm going to move them down towards the bottom so we can see the images better. And I am going to click on contour. Okay, but before I click on contour, let me explain what I'm going to do. Now, let me start with this image over here on the left side. All right, so now we are going to remove the I love you portion. We're going to keep mom, but remove the I love you, okay? So that's what we're going to do. Go back down to contour, go ahead and hit it. And all we're going to do is just click on the word and just the little details that's highlighted. We're going to click on that. We don't want none of that. See that heart right there? Click on that. We don't want that. Okay, so we're just going to go and, oops, see, it re-highlighted because I clicked on it. Just simply click back on it and it'll remove it. So I'm just looking down to make sure everything is removed. Boom, we should be good. So let's see, I'm gonna click off of there, move that up. Boom, that's what we want. We just want mom. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with the other image. However, this time we want to keep the I love you and delete and get rid of the mom. Okay, so go back down to contour. Go ahead and click on that image and go down to contour at the bottom right side. And now we're going to click on the word mom and get rid of it. Boom. Click off of there. And there you have it. Okay, now we got two separate pieces. So now the mom is going to be silver. So I'm going to come up here to the top left-hand side, click on that little box and change the color to silver. So we're just going to kind of pretend this gray is silver. And then the I love you portion, I am going to make that gold. Okay. Boom. Just like that. Now you can see how it fits together perfectly. You can make as many as you want just by highlighting both of them and hitting the duplicate button. But I just wanted to show you how to create it. I'm going to print one out and we are going to put it on the balloon together so you can see what it looks like. All right. All right, you guys. Now we got everything cut from the Cricut Maker. All right. And everything weeded out and we are ready to go. Now, we are going to start with the I love you portion. We're going to push that one to the side and start with this one, all right? So you simply going to take your transfer tape and place it on there. Take your tool, okay, and you're going to scratch the front and the back. All right, so as I'm removing the paper, I am rolling it. I'm not ripping it off. I'm rolling it off. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to take the mom portion and I am going to tape it down so it'll stay in place. Okay, and I'm going to take that same transfer tape with the I love you on it and I am going to put it right on top and line it up. Okay, now we are ready to go. I'm just going to scrape it with the tool. Okay, and again, I am going to roll it off. Boom. Don't forget to remove your tape, y'all. All right, now we're going to just stick it on the balloon. Just position it in place, just like, let me see, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to take my tool and just smooth it right up on there. And roll the transfer tape off. Voila, we are finished, you guys, putting on the little decal. How pretty! Okay, you guys, please make sure to like and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn how to do this, please check out my other video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.